Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we are talking Chevy Cruze, and I want to compare the old thermostat that we just replaced to the new engineered, more reliable, and believe it or not, less expensive thermostat. Let's compare the two. Let's take a look. All right, YouTubers, on the left hand side, the old part, on the right hand side, the new part. Let's talk about the old part real quick. This is plastic. This is your thermostat. And this is the original equipment manufacturer OEM part that was on the engine out of the manufacturing assembly line for Chevy, GM, and it didn't last long. It fell apart pretty bad. The gasket ripped, and that's where it was leaking right there. That pressure built up and the coolant could sneak right through there and spray out. And this plastic piece, as well as an additional plastic piece, are supposed to hold this clip in place, and that holds the spring in place. And as you can see, it has failed miserably. This is a $76 part. The new part, an aftermarket part, has been re-engineered and is much more durable, and the best part about it, it's only $45. So it's about $30 cheaper, and it is going to last longer. As you can see here, the rubber gasket is in place, and that rubber gasket is what creates that watertight or coolant tight seal to not allow any of the coolant to leak out. And with that said, if you're curious how this works, when this part is in place, the hose connects here, coolant feeds up to this portion connects itself to the engine, and as the engine heats up, this spring begins to compress and open up the opposite end of the thermostat, which at that point allows coolant to flow through and cool the engine. So you've got an electrical connection point, because in the event that this part fails, the check engine light will come on, because this portion right here, the electrical connection sensor, will trigger off that it failed, and it will send a failed communication link directly to the onboard computer of the engine, and the engine will then throw that check engine light. So this is a very important part, and what I recommend is buying the aftermarket Dorman brand. Again, the plastic itself is much thicker, much more durable, and I think this part will last a lot longer than the GM part. And again, the best part about it, it's $30 cheaper than the original GM part. So here's the part number. Dorman is the manufacturer, 902-808. Again, this is your coolant thermostat housing for your Chevy Cruze engine. That's it, YouTubers. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Hey, thanks again for watching.